Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Charlie. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious homemade watermelon lemonade from scratch. This type of lemonade is made with fresh watermelon and fresh lemon. It combines the sweetness of the watermelon with the tanginess of a lemon. This recipe makes 4 quarts, that's 1 gallon of lemonade. It's refreshing and absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here's all what you'll need to make your homemade watermelon lemonade. Let's get started with our ingredients. You'll need 3 pounds of watermelon. It could be with the seeds in it or the seedless version, whichever one you prefer. And along with that, you'll need 1 pound and 11 ounces of lemons and some sugar. And for your tools, you'll need a large sturdy spoon, a citrus juicer, a mesh strainer, a large food processor, and to store your lemonade, you will need a 4 quart, this is 1 gallon, plastic pitcher. And there we have it. Alright, let's get straight to it. We're going to get started by taking a knife and we're going to trim off the outer layer of skin of the watermelon. As you can see, that's the very thick layer of skin. It's like the green portion. You just want to trim that off. And once you do that, you just take your knife and trim off any excess. Alright, next you're going to take a knife and you're going to cut the watermelon into medium-sized cubes. Now, if your watermelon pieces have any seeds or anything like that in there, just leave them in there because we're going to strain that out at a later time. Alright, let's get started with pureeing our watermelon. So in this large food processor, we're going to add half of the watermelon pieces right on in there. Blend this for 15 seconds. Okay, that looks good. Add the second half of the watermelon pieces right on in there. Blend this for 15 seconds. Alright, that looks good. I'm going to take my pureed watermelon and pour it into this medium-sized bowl and set this on the side. Alright, let's get started with our lemons. So we're going to take a knife and we're going to cut each lemon in half. And once you finish from cutting your lemons in half, you're going to place them into this large bowl. Okay, let's juice our lemons. So here I have a citrus juicer. You're going to juice all halves of the lemons with the citrus juicer. Once you finish from juicing your lemon halves, you're going to take the juice and you're going to pour it into this measuring cup. And once done, you should have about 1 1/4 cups or 1 1/2 cups of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Preheat your fire to medium heat. Alright, let's get started with pasteurizing and assembling our lemonade. So in this large pot, add 2 1/2 quarts of water. And to that, you're going to add your pureed watermelon, followed by your squeezed lemon juice, and 1 1/2 or 2 cups of sugar. Now you want to keep in mind that you can adjust the sugar to however way you want it for this recipe, okay? Stir all your ingredients together. Let this get hot for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, it's been about 10 to 15 minutes now, and our lemonade should be nice and hot. It is ready. Now you're going to go ahead and turn your fire off. Let the lemonade cool until it's warm or let it cool completely. Alright, let's get started with straining our lemonade. So here I have a mesh strainer with a medium-sized bowl underneath it. Pour your cooled watermelon lemonade into the mesh strainer. You're going to start with half of the lemonade first. Remove the mesh strainer from out of the lemonade. Take a spatula and stir the pulp that's in the mesh strainer. Take the spatula and press the pulp down into the mesh strainer. This is going to allow the liquid to drain into the bowl. Now you can discard the pulp or you can eat it at a later time by placing it in your refrigerator. But I don't think you want to eat the seeds of the lemon and the watermelon. Once you're done straining your lemonade, you're going to take the bowl with the lemonade in it and pour the lemonade into a 1 gallon plastic pitcher. So that's the first half I added in there. And here is the second half that I'm pouring in there. All right, perfect. Now, if your pitcher came with a lid or anything like that, place the lid on top of the pitcher. And from there, our homemade watermelon lemonade is now done. Now, for some quick tips, place this into your refrigerator for about 4 to 6 hours or until it's cool, or for best results, place it into your refrigerator overnight and serve it the next day. Here is the final presentation. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Homemade watermelon lemonade. Made from scratch by a New Orleans native. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. I have an official website for all of my recipes, including this one. Go to www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's taste test is coming up next. Can't wait. Now it's time to go ahead and take a sip. Here it is. Ooh. Yes. I really love this. It has a wonderful watermelon flavor, and it also has that tartness of that lemon in there too. It's like a lemonade, except it's flavored with watermelon and lemons, of course. Oh my goodness, I really, really love it. It's not overly sweet. It just has the right amount of sweetness to it. Y'all, wonderful, refreshing drink to try. Absolutely delicious. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, have a good one. Peace.